Now let's talk about the drill shaft fluid or the drill shaft slurry testing log. In this individual form, the inspector or technician will document the test results obtained during the verification of the properties of the slurry or fluid in the construction of the shaft. He inputs the basic information here. This data is available through these drop-down boxes. If it's the same project he's using the first page here, it's going to be available. Same happen is the same project number, so that's available in this one. The same happen if it's the same person, you can just input if it was the same technician who inspected the excavation, you can do that. Or let's say it's a different person, then you just put whoever it is. Let's put let's call him Mr. Slurry with a different identification number. Now here you will identify the type of polymer or slurry fluid used during the excavation. We will input, in this particular case, he used a polymer Setco short pack. Then you will put whatever the ranges are acceptable based on the manufacturer's information. In this particular case, he's got ranges of density between 62 to 65, pH between 8 to 10, and viscosity should be between 45 and 55, and the sand content should be less than 0.5%. So you will record the time, the density, whatever it is, and then based on this information, he will have the information ready to determine whether the sample pass or fail. Now, same happen. This is, by the way, we do have in two instances. We have at the beginning in the premix condition, and then we also have at the end of the excavation just before placing concrete. All right, so we have this table to input things like that. An important thing, by the way, when a test fails, don't just document. Please advise the contractor that he needs to, in accordance with the specs, he needs to correct it. He needs to change the mixer, change the dosages, so these values fall into the acceptable range. Again, don't forget the yellow blocks for some hints, and that's pretty much what we have for this form.